Good night, teacher Luis Enrique Liscano. My name is Johan Gerardo Pulido. I am a student in environmental. I have 22 years. I live in Boyacá, a white pressing tour with Garagoa. A continuation, my recommend please to know is Garagoa because is wide variety of activities. I am pleased to know they with Mike and informative trip. Their festivities reflect their culture and gastronomy they eat and heat in their region. This and done in order to promote tourists, though in region where they tourists would visit here with to return for experience in our municipality. Is clean its semicoid hands hit several ecopaths with tourists can read comfortably and be accompanied by their love. One is recommended to with love and friends click to feel comfortably. It's your style with Garagoa Boyacá. Did can relate give Hank Divin and more since Garagoa is so wrong indeed by great natural with very teeth activities and practiced in very good shape. Tea people are fun and tolerant. Some tea tourists while feeling comfort and happy during his stay in Garagoa. You can visit high any time of the year and enjoy natural pleats shoots at beach and rive. You can have traditional food in the region and is still can carne oreada, the spans, cheese, arepas, tin spans, chicken, broth, hantir, gauya tuna mogoya. This has been presentation of you Jaulik it by